Good day guys, so we'll do an unboxing of the PORODO HDMI to Type-C USB adapter. So for example, you're stuck in a hotel and you want to watch a movie using your phone and an HDMI is present on the television. Well, you can use this adapter to connect from your phone directly to the TV's HDMI port. Okay, so we'll do the unboxing. Hi, I'm Daddy Kicks and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's open. You can see what's inside. Sorry, just give me a few seconds. It's not opening. It has stickers and sides. One down. One more to go. And that's it. Open. So what we have is the adapter, then the connector. So this one is good for, this is the USB Type-C, and this is the HDMI connector. Okay. Then, so we only have, so it's only the cable, nothing inside. Then we'll try to use it on the television. So right now we'll try to set up. So we'll connect the HDMI at the back. Then go to HDMI input. So we'll connect the cell phone and the USB. And let's see what happens. So here's the phone. I'm watching a Korean novela. Okay, drama. And voila. That's it. Just plug in and play. So I hope you like this video. So kindly like and share this video. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Daddy Geeks. God bless. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.